Good morning. I'm going to let you know about the different courses I teach at MPC. So I'm just prepare a short description of what I do at MPC. I'm usually have taught Math 13, Math 16, Math 261, and Math 263. So if you're watching this video, it's because you're going to take one of these courses with me. So the first thing that you're going to know is a little bit about my background. So that is going to be the next thing. And then I'm going to go through the syllabus that you already have with you. So a little bit about myself is I am your new MPC instructor. I got a graduate degree in applied mathematics and statistics from UC Santa Cruz. And in my free time, I used to go to the Castroville Public Library to help people getting their U.S. citizenship, or in other cases to help students, dreamers, to process paperwork about DACA. I also provide help to students from different levels, from middle school through graduate school in math, and that's what I do in my free time. So the course that you're going to take with me is going to be delivered through Canvas. So you're going to need to get your account. So, and once you have your account, you go to the main page of MPC. So you go to www.mpc.edu. You're going to click on the Lobo Apps link, and then you're going to click on Canvas. So you're going to need your student ID or your email and password. If you need help, you need to contact the MPC library. So when you open the main page for the Monterey Peninsula College, this is what you're going to see. So as I mentioned before, you're going to click on Lobo Apps in this link. So you get to enter your credentials. So you're going to enter your username, you're going to enter your password. Once you do this, you're going to get this page where you're going to have a different apps that MPC has prepared for you to have a wonderful experience of education with us. So you're going to click on Canvas, and once you do that, you're going to get the list of courses that you have taken with us, or that you're going to take this semester. So you just need to look for the course that you are going to take with me. So, and then you're going to have a page like this. It's going to be a welcome to the corresponding course. In this case, it's Math 13. In other cases, it would be Math 16 or Math 261 or others. So that's the main page. In that page, you're gonna get information about the course. So you're gonna get the course description, usually the description that you're gonna find in the catalog. So, and also some materials that you're gonna need in the course. First of all is gonna be the syllabus. So you need to download the syllabus. Sometimes you're gonna need a graph paper if you are taking an algebra class with me. And then you're going to be able to see later in the semester the calendar. So you're going to get reminders about the activities that you need to perform. So in the syllabus, you're going to see a lot of things. You're going to see what I'm going to teach you, which is the course description. You're going to see also what you are expected to learn. So those are the student learning outcomes, the SLOs. And then I'm going to give you an idea on how are we both going to accomplish our goals. So how we are both going to accomplish our goals is the course policy. And this is in some sense described by the classwork, quizzes, homework tests, and the final exam that you need to take. So, and I think you are wondering about the grading policy. So this is the way that you're gonna get your weighted average at the end for your final grade. So you're gonna get 20% from your homework, 10% from classwork, 20% from quizzes, and 30% from tests, and finally 20% from the final exam. So this table is also in your syllabus. So you're gonna check this, and it's also on the main page on Canvas. So anytime that you open Canvas and try to do some work and check some reminders or announcements, you're gonna see this grade distribution that is gonna be a reminder for you and how you need to perform in this course to pass. So what is the way that we're gonna accomplish this? So usually what I teach is just two things. I'm going to teach you concepts, which is just new words, new terminology, new phrases that have a special meaning in our course. And the other thing, that another main component, a very important component, is that you're going to learn procedures. So it's just recipes to do something. So recipes, formulas, the different steps that you need to follow to be able to solve a problem. So you need to learn both concepts and procedures, because if you just learn procedures, you just follow a recipe, but you don't know what you are doing. So the important thing is that you're going to learn what is the thing that you're going to do and why you are doing that thing, and then use the steps. So I'm going to try to, I'm going to solve as many problems as possible. Whether you are taking this class face-to-face or you are taking this class online, I'm going to follow the same structure. I'm going to follow the same idea. So the main idea is we need to communicate as many times as possible, either through Zoom meetings or any other video conference platform. We're going to need to communicate a lot by using the email or using Canvas. And you're going to need to submit a lot of work. So a lot of work is not that you need to spend a lot of hours a day for this course. It's just that you need to be solving some problems that are necessary for me to know that you are understanding the material for this course. So classwork is just the problems that you are going to solve once you have taken the lectures, once you attended the lecture in a face-to-face setting, or once you have watched the video. Usually the video is going to be posted on YouTube. You're going to get the link from Canvas. But the video was created by using Zoom. So if you're familiar with Zoom, you're going to see the video the same way that you were watching a video or joining a video or Zoom meeting. So classwork, you're going to get 10% from your grade, for your grade from that. Homework is going to be more problems, similar problems to the ones that I solved in the lecture, similar problems to the ones that you solve in classwork. So it's just a repetition, just to be sure that you are getting the idea. So I'm going to explain, we're going to practice as our classwork, and you are going to apply this later when you solve your homework. So work on classwork problems. Those are the most important part, because that's the first step for you to start learning mathematics with me. There are going to be quizzes to be solved online. The quizzes is just a collection of problems similar to the ones that you solve for classwork points, the ones that you solve to get homework points. So those quizzes are going to have the feature that you're going to get immediate feedback. So once you finish the quiz, you're going to get a grade. So, and the important thing is that you're going to have 2 attempts to solve those quizzes. So if you get a low grade in your first attempt, you have another chance to improve that grade. So what you're gonna do is communicate with me about your questions, and then you're gonna be able to take the quiz one more time. So finally, I need to mention that now that we have a different way to deliver an instruction, the online version, we have tests, and the final exam delivered also online, which is another, is like a quiz, like the quiz is online, with the difference that you're going to use Proctorio. Proctorio is a platform that verifies that you are the person that should be taking the test, that you are doing that in an environment that is free of interruptions, that you are doing the things correctly, that you are not cheating in few words. So Proctorio is just a system that allows us, you and me, to be sure that the grade that you're obtaining is from your work only. So you are gonna need to install Proctorio in your computer. You're gonna need your computer with a very good fast internet connection. You're gonna need a webcam and a microphone. This is essential for the quiz to be taken, or the test to be taken by using Proctorio. I'm going to give you a lot of links on how to be ready to take your exam. Don't worry, it's going to be just like another quiz, just with these extra measures to be sure that you're going to take the quiz following the ethics rules that are outlined by our college. So, work on your homework problems, and also, si tú necesitas ayuda en español, pregúntame. So now, for the final part of this short video, now that you know a little bit about me, that I just mentioned, as you can see now, maybe the only issue that you might have with me is just my accent. English is not my primary language, it's my second language. So I'm going to do my best to provide you instruction in a way that you're going to understand. So in addition to my lecture, to the video, you're going to see notes posted online. I'm going to try to write everything that I say, just for you to be sure that what you are hearing or what you are understanding is what I meant. Because I know when you have accent, the students might have some struggles to get the lecture, but again, I'm going to do my best for you to learn mathematics. With respect to mathematics, what I can say is that it's my passion. It has been always my favorite subject in school. I studied math to the highest level that I could, just with the idea that I would try to find the best ways, the best words for you to learn mathematics as I did. I was a student as you are now, so I understand some of the struggles, but again, I like math, so I think I can teach math. So I would like to know a little bit about you. So this is going to be part of your first assignment. So you're going to answer these following questions on a piece of paper. So your name, your major, whether you speak only English or maybe other languages. Sometimes it's good to know whether you know some computer languages, because you're going to be working with a computer, and maybe, who knows, you might need a language, especially if you are taking statistics with me. You're going to need to use a language R. Also, I want to know whether you like math or not. That's just for me to know how hard it's going to be for me to convince you that math is not hard. Math is just another language. Math is just like another game that we learn in life. It depends on how you are taught math. Maybe that's the reason you like it or not. So, and just for me to know where you are in terms of basic concepts in math, I would like that you write the definition of function as the way that you understood in school, if you ever got the definition of a function. And also, just express anything that I should know about you to have the best academic experience with this course. So this is going to be the end of this video. You're going to start watching in the next video the first chapter, the first section of our course. So